Using this as a test, we can then edit the layout to suit our needs by clicking Layout Builder. And we currently have the start list coming from FinishLynx onto screen 1. Selecting our start list display, we can then make edits which will then reflect live, like resizing widgets, adding spaces. We can include prefixes for lanes and add some space to pad out the columns, and also resize text. Once we've got a layout that we like the look of, we can then save that layout and it will persist through restarts and updates of the software. We can also add in things like the event name from results, and we can keep populating this start list to show exactly what we want within it. We could have the current running clock, for example. And we can add some overlays, like the text overlay. And the clock overlay. Returning to the dashboard, and if we were to show time of day, the clock will then show time of day within the area that we have defined for the clock. This would also show the runtime of the current event with the start list shown underneath it. You can use the widgets however you wish, any number of widgets on any display in any format. We can then send a message and display that across anyone. We can alter the text size of that within the widget space, and we can also press clear to remove that and jump back to the start list again. If we wanted to show the clock across the whole screen, we can use the clock show with the clock overlay to display the clock on the whole screen. As we arm an event and then apply a start to it, the clock then starts running. We can hide the clock, and you can see the clock widget in the top left hand side that we placed is then running.